Good morning. I am Srilekha, Department of Chemistry. Today I am going to take about on the topics of reference electrode. Here, the reference electrode is nothing but it is trago coupled with the another reference electrode which is arbitrarily fixed as zero. The reference electrode which considered as the electrons, the electrode with the another reference electrode we have to coupling the electrode with the reference electrode. Here we have due to this maintain a H plus ion at 1m concentration solution and at 1m pressure at H2 gases and it produces the volume of oxidation and it gets poison due to the reaction towards the reference electrode. Whenever the reference electrode acts as the ions transfers the electrode will maintain H plus ion at 1m concentration within this at a pressure of H2 gases and which is connected at a platinum wire. So this is the consideration for the reference electrode. So the reference electrode which is classified into our two types of electrodes. One is a primary reference electrode. The primary reference electrode is nothing but it refers to be only one type of electrodes we can be using here. That is the first one is SHE, that is standard hydrogen electrode. Whenever the standard hydrogen electrode is considered as a primary electrode, and here we can discuss about what are the constitutional burn and continue this representation of this diagram. So here I have prepared the diagram which is the beaker which is immersed in this platinum wire and the platinum wire which is connected consists of the platinum foil which is connected to a platinum wire and the electrode is immersed in a 1m HCl solution and this electrode at the side arm of the classroom H2 gases passes around the side arm of the electrode. So this is the reference electrode working. Whenever the working it consists of the hydrogen electrode which consists of platinum foil and which is connected to the platinum foil and towards the solution is between 1m HCl solution and the H2 gases passes around the side of the tube. And this is the reference electrode in which the reaction considered as a self representation which has Eb H2 1 atmosphere and 1m H plus ion which gives the EMF voltages of the 0 volts. So this is the cell representation for the reference hydrogen electrode SHE, that is whenever the reaction undergoes at the anode, it gives H2 gas, E plus ion, which forms as a 2H plus ion plus 2E minus. In the form, it is called as the loss of electron. It forms as an oxidation reaction. And with the anode, 2H plus 2E minus with the gain of electron, it gives a H2. This is the move-on reactions for anode of the cathode, which produces the SHE constructions. So H2 gas which leaves on 2H plus 2E minus which give off oxidation reaction and at the cathode it gives a 2H plus 2E minus which gives off H2 gas, that is of reduction process. So with this it forms as a H2 gas. It is a reversible reaction and it has the SHE of standard hydrogen electrode. It considered the EMF voltages of the 0 volts. So the limitations of the SHE is it cannot maintain a constant hydrogen gases throughout the experiment. Here the basic point is give the platinum foil which can be easily corroded by the hydrogen gases and it cannot be easily transported within other places and to maintain the constant temperature and the pressure over hydrogen gases. So these are the limitations to use and whether the reference of an electrode, that is SHE, is not valid for the hydrogen electrode because in this electrode it has mainly used for this reference electrode, that is SHE as a reference platinum electrode. Whenever we have this electrode substituted by this hydrogen gas or 1m HCl, it can be substituted by using this hydrogen instead of the 1m HCl. A H plus ion which consists of only a reference electrode, that is related to a SHE electrode. So the applications of SHE is nothing but we can use as a reference electrode, and another thing, the secondary electrode for purpose we cannot use a SHE electrode, and sometimes we have been described by using this class that primary electrode gets poisoned due to the pressure of the hydrogen gases, and within this 1 m to maintain a 1 m atmospheric pressure of the gases.